Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the University Grants Commission official public notice. So it was released on 17th Feb 2021. So from this notice the UGC is inviting the feedback suggestions regarding the academic collaboration between Indian and foreign higher education institutions to offer the joint degree, dual degree or the twinning program regulations 2021. Okay. So while coming to the body of this notice, here you may check down that the government of India is taking a number of initiatives for implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. So based upon this one, the NEP 2020 calls for permitting credits acquired in foreign countries to be counted for the award of a degree. So furthermore, the budget announcement of the 2021 proposed a regulatory mechanism to permit the dual degrees, joint degrees and the twinning arrangements. Okay. So accordingly, UGC constituted a committee to frame enabling the regulations in these regards, that means in these dual or the joint or the twinning arrangements, and the draft UGC, that is academic collaboration between the Indian and foreign higher education institutions to offer these degree programs. Regulations to 2021 are hereby informed in the public domain. And UGC is inviting the comments or suggestions or feedbacks from all stakeholders on the draft regulations, and the same may be sent to the provided mail ID by 5th March 2021. And regarding this joint degree, dual and the twinning program, here in the official website of the University Grants Commission in the notices blog, you may check down few guidelines are provided based upon this regulation, guys. Okay, total 7 pages are there. So you may check down, okay, go through this draft completely. So the short title, application and commencement, and the definitions. So provisions of collaboration and the credit recognition, as well as the transferring of credits for getting the degree or certificate, and what is the twinning arrangement, and what is the joint degree program and the dual degree program. Okay, so all these things are mentioned here. So once go through this draft. Okay, so if you want to give any suggestions or the feedbacks or anything, okay, that you may provide, you may give your comments or suggestions or feedbacks to this provide mail ID by the 5th March 2021. So soon we are going to expect this dual or joint degree or the twinning arrangements from the Indian and foreign higher education institutions collaboration. So it will be the very good news, guys, under the National Education Policy 2020. Okay. So to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is the India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.